आपको 7 के 3 मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं एवरीबॉडी, 3 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 7, ठीक है, 3 multiples of 7 everybody. Very good. I could see a lot of answers. And those who are not answering, you all have to answer in the chat box everybody. Those who are not answering, please make sure that you are writing the answers in the chat. ठीक है बच्चों, so what you have to do is very easy thing you have to do. You just have to write all the first 3 multiples. That means इसके टेबल के जो फर्स्ट 3 नंबर हैं वो लिख दो, ठीक है एवरीवन. Coins I'll be giving you at 7:40. ठीक है, we still have 15 minutes. ठीक है everybody. So first 3 numbers of the table of 7. What are the numbers? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So the first 3 multiples are the first 3 numbers in the table of 7. Okay everyone, is this clear? Try this one. Is 125 a multiple of of 8? You have to tell whether do you see 125 in 8's table. 8 के टेबल में 125 दिखा है क्या आपको? Everyone. Not a multiple of 8 everyone. Okay kids, are you all ready for a question? समझ में आया? Question करें. Are you all ready for a quiz? Are you all ready for a quiz everybody? चलो try this. Try this question kiddos. Try this quiz. Everyone, please do this question. चलो, I have given you enough time. काफी time दिया मैंने आपको to mark the answers. Everyone, give in the answers, kiddos. Last 20 seconds. Last के 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds more to give the answers. चलो. Those who have not given the answers, 10 more seconds. बच्चों आंसर मार्क करो. Very good, Diya, Advik, Path, Kenisha, Ayan. Good boys, good girls. Very, very good. So the correct answer is option number A, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. And why option number A is correct? 6 का 5 मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं तो 6 के टेबल में फर्स्ट 5 नंबर्स लिखो. 6 आता है, 12 आता है, then we have 18, then we have 24, then we have 30. So you just had to write first 5 numbers of the table of 6. चलो try this one everybody. ये वाला try करो. I'm giving you 1.5 minutes for this one. Very easy question. Very, very easy. Understood this one. ये वाला समझ में आया आप सबको? Easy, right? Very easy. Very easy. That's amazing. That's very good. That's amazing. So let's move to the third and the final level of today's class, which is the lowest common multiple. ठीक है? Lowest common multiple आज हम we are going to learn. So बच्चों, what are the common multiples? सबसे पहले तो हम ये देखते हैं कि what common multiples are. Okay, so you have to write first 4 common multiples of 8 and 12. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों? सारे बच्चों ध्यान से करो, ध्यान से मेरी पहले बात सुनो. Everybody, all ears to me. सारे बच्चे मेरी सुनेंगे. So you have to just write the tables and find out the common multiples. ठीक है. अब now these four are the common multiples. So बच्चों, which is the largest common multiple here? सबसे बड़ा common multiple कौन सा है यहाँ पे? Which is the largest common multiple? LCM है, ठीक है, largest है. 96. Yes, Somesh, Tanishq, Bhargavi. 96 is the largest common multiple of 8 and 12. And what you have done just now, you have found the least common. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry. You have to find the lowest common multiple. Multiple here is 24. Okay. So what you have done, you have just found lowest or least common multiple. So the smallest common multiple of given numbers is called least common multiple. Okay. Okay, kids. Now let's try to find out the common multiple for 12 and 18. 12 and 18 के common multiples find out करते हैं. What are the multiples of 12? 12 है, 24 है, 36 है, 48 है, और भी बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं. 18 के क्या क्या है? 18 है, 36 है, या 36 है, एंड और भी नंबर्स हैं. बट इफ यू विल फाइंड आउट द लोवेस्ट कॉमन, लोवेस्ट तो आपको अभी ही मिल गया है, आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. दिस इज द लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. ठीक है बच्चों? ठीक है, एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू फाइंड लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल? आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर सम क्वेश्चंस? क्वेश्चंस के लिए रेडी हो आप लोग? चलो किड्स, ट्राई टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. ये वाला क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो एवरीवन. आई एम म्यूटिंग यू ऑल सो दैट यू कैन फोकस ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द मल्टीपल ऑफ. चलो everybody, if you will do these two questions, these two Olympiad questions right, I will be giving you more coins. I'll be giving you more coins, so just try to solve this question. Do this question everybody. So in this, in both HCF of 24, so it is 1 2 3 4. Keep doing everybody.